There's guys on YouTube how to really fun cat, but here's what makes dogs more interesting. They actually enjoy this weather down here at Berger Park during a winter storm on the first full day of spring. I dare them. Bring the cat out in this weather. You'd need a pint or two of blood transfused. And these two are having a ball. Not sure I am. Snow's turned to sleet. And again, with this sleet pelting, I might be suffering as much pain as they would be if they tried to bring their cat out here, so I think that's enough of this. From interesting, but at the moment painful, Berger Park in Chicago.